Exercise 5.2, fifth problem. Find the number of terms in each of the following APs. So first one is 7, 13, 19, so on 205. First term, second term, third term. Which term it is? Okay, how many terms? So we will find the value of n. So first, A1 equals to 7, A2 13, A3 19. So this is the value an equals to 205. I don't know how many. What is the number of n here? So first term or second term, third term, which term it is? So find first common difference d equals to A2 minus A1. So A2 is 13, A1 is 7. That is 6. 13 minus 7 is 6. Okay. Now an equals to how much? 205. Now we will find the value of n. What is the formula of an? A plus n minus 1 into d equals to 205. So how many terms are there? So any terms untai? 10 terms untai, 20 terms untai, 30 terms untai also. We will find that one. So a is nothing but 7 plus n minus 1. D is the common difference 6 equals to 205. So n minus 1 into 6 equals to 205. 7 transpose to right side minus 7. So 205 minus 7 is 198. N minus 1 into 6 equals to 198. So n minus 1 equals to 198 by 6. How many times 6? 6 3 is 18. Again, one balance is there. 6 3 is 18. 33. So n minus 1 equals to 33. N equals to 33. Minus 1 transpose right side plus 1. So 34. Therefore, the number of terms are 34. Okay. Coming to the second point. 8, 15 half, 13, so on, minus 47. Here A1 equals to 18, A2 equals to 15 half, A3 equals to 13. So here An equals to minus 47. So how many terms are there? So same concept, find first convert this one into improper fraction. 2 15s are 30. 30 plus 1 is 31 by 2. A2 is 31 by 2. So first now find D. What is the value of D? A2 minus A1, that is 31 by 2 minus 18. See, 31 minus 2 18s are 36 by 2, that equals to minus 5 by 2. Minus 5 by 2. Now we will find the value of n. How many terms? So for that, first given an. So how much an? An equals to minus 47. So an formula a plus n minus 1 into d equals to minus 47. So here a value is 18 plus n minus 1. I don't know the value of n. First we will find that one only. N minus 1. D value is minus 5 by 2 equals to minus 47. So n minus 1 into minus 5 by 7, 5 by 2 equals to minus 47. 18 transpose to left right side minus 18. So 7 minus 47 minus 18. So 8 plus 7 is 15. 1 balance. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 4 is 6. Minus 65. So n minus 1 times minus 5 by 2. Minus minus get cancel. So n minus 1 equals to 65. Here transpose right side reciprocal of 5 by 2. 2 by 5. So 5 how many times? 13 times. 5 13 is a 65. N minus 1 equals to 13 times 2. So 13 times 2 is 26. N minus 1 equals to 26. So n equals to 26 minus 1 transpose right side plus 1. 26 plus 1 27. Therefore in this series number of terms are 27. Therefore, the number of terms are 27.